Number one, here's Brothers of a new song columnist.
Well, if you're a girl,
And you can sit on my shoulders.
can we just go
And
home?
you look good up there. Oasis of love. Which do you prefer? You gotta choose which one would you lose. Oasis of love. Which do you prefer? You can't refuse which one would you lose.
Oasis of love. Oasis of love.
Oasis,
Oasis of love.
love,
Oasis of love.
oasis,
Oasis of love.
oasis of love.
Oasis of love.
Girls and boys,
Oasis of love.
oasis of love. All right, thanks.